Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I have the tutorial for the iPad. And of course, what I'll be showing you how to do is how to install an app on your iPad. Alright, so it's very easy. In order to install any app, first of all, make sure that you have created an account, Apple account, and you're signed in. Then go to App Store. Alright, so once you're in App Store, once you're in the App Store, you're gonna go ahead guys and Alright, so once you're in the App Store, you're going to go ahead, guys, and you're going to search. So here you can see we have several apps. So we're going to search for a particular one. So we're going to search for Subway Surfers. And the second one here, Subway Surfers City. And it's different for everyone. So you're going to hit Get. I have it on another device, so it shows up as a cloud. So you're gonna hit get. All right, so I'm gonna get this particular game, and it can be any app. You can search for the particular app you want. There are suggestions as well in the App Store. So of course it's downloading, and it says open. All right, swipe up, and then there you go. So this is the app right here, and I've just downloaded it. Alright, so it's now installed, and that's how you install an app on your device. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.